How to get instant math solutions on QANDA. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, you can either scan a math question using the camera feature or type the question manually. If using the camera, position your device so the entire math problem is clearly visible, then tap capture or scan. Once the equation is processed, QANDA will provide step-by-step solutions showing how to reach the correct answer. You can also view detailed explanation, formulas, and hints to understand the concept behind the solution. If you type the question manually, make sure to enter it accurately, then submit it to receive instant answers. You can repeat this process for multiple questions to complete your homework or practice efficiently. Now you know how to get instant math solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.